If you want to customize the lock screen on the Samsung Galaxy A37, first of all, we need to open the settings. Over here in settings, we should be able to scroll down a little bit, and then you want to go to wallpaper and style. Now, in here, we should be able to tap on the lock screen in order to start customizing it. So for example, we're going to start from the bottom. Over here in the bottom left and bottom right corner, we have lock screen shortcuts, which you can of course adjust or completely remove if you don't need them. We can also find widgets section. So you can add widgets into the lock screen. Like for example, you can add a countdown from the calendar. Let's say we can go to the device care in order to, or maybe digital well-being in order to add the screen time. And we can also go to, let's say the Samsung Health in order to add daily activity. We have 4 slots in total, and in some cases widgets take 2 slots. So of course, you need to wisely consider what you want to have on the lock screen, which widgets should be added. Of course, we can also customize the clock as well. If you tap on it, then you should be able to see this outline with thick corners. You can use them in order to make the clock bigger or smaller. You can also drag the clock itself around in order to adjust its position. And as you can see here, we have the customization of the appearance as well. Like for example, we can change the font. We can make the font thicker or thinner. We can also change the color as well, so we have a couple of different color options. You can also use your own color if you want to, or you can synchronize it with the wallpaper. And if you go to style, then you should be able to find many different clock faces as well. So of course, some of these options might not be available if you use one of these fonts. So in some cases, it might not be available. Like here, you can see that there are a couple of fonts that I cannot really choose if I have this clock face, but if I switch to this one, then I should be able to use it. There we go. This is how it looks like. And of course, we can also show the weather information right next to the date, and we can move the date to be above the clock if that's what you want. And you can also tap on this icon here in the upper left corner in order to change the wallpaper in case you want to use a different wallpaper. And once you are done with the customization, you just want to tap on done in the upper right corner, and that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.